Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to code Legendre polynomials in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got some unknown function and you'd like to get an approximate solution to that function using certain polynomials, and you'd like to use Legendre polynomials. So I'm going to show you how to code Legendre polynomials in Python today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. To do this, make sure you have installed SciPy on your computer, and we're going to import the special package from SciPy. So you're going to type from SciPy import special as sp, and you're just going to run this. Great. Okay, and then after that, I'm just going to denote my Legendre polynomials as np, and then you're just going to type sp, so we're using the special package from SciPy, sp.legendre, and type in a pair of brackets, and inside the bracket I'm just going to type n, and n is basically the degree of the polynomial that you want, so it's any integer value, and the next entry is just going to be morning equals false, which is just a default setting. And yeah, that's basically it. Then you can just use this in any function that you want by giving n any integer value like that. And that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to code Legendre polynomials in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.